Today we're looking at the reading strategy of summarizing to improve your understanding. Summarizing is using your own words to retell the main events or ideas of what you have read. It can be used in both nonfiction or fiction text, as it's really just useful for helping you keep track of specific information. You could follow the support behind a thesis statement or the relationships between characters in a novel. It's used to improve your understanding and memory. But to do this, we need to take notes before we are able to write our summary. And there's 3 ways to do this. The first of which is a summary notes, and it's really just collecting what the most important information is, along with main points and supporting details. It's going to look something like this. You're going to give a title or a topic, provide the main point, and then the details specific that support that main point. What's really great about this type is that you can use it with both nonfiction and fiction, and by just looking at this, we can write a very clear, very detailed summary of what you have read. The second type of notes is a magnet word web, and this is really only used for fiction, as you are looking for ideas or words that are repeated again and again in the text. These tend to be theme words. Then you're going to create a word web that looks something like this. So this is from The Miracle Worker, a play by William Gibson. And the theme that we're using is miracle. That word has been repeated in the text, and then we found some specific examples that are both miracles and places where that word has been used repeatedly. This is great because it's going to give us a good place to start, say, a theme hunt when we're looking for a symbol or another type of repetition between a character or an idea. The final type of notes for summary is kind of a division of notes. It looks very similar to the organization of, say, a textbook. Although it can be used for fiction, it's most useful in a nonfiction because you're dividing the parts up based on chapter headings or problem-solution organization. Say, for instance, this textbook about early travel. We're breaking it down based on the title headings. We found the major problem and the dates and places that support where that problem occurred. We'd probably follow up with what the solution was. Summarizing can help you bring together the most important parts of a text, and the notes can be used for both nonfiction and fiction. And think about the way you should be creative in breaking those down. You could do just a stanza from a poem or an entire chapter from a textbook. Most importantly, though, it improves your memory and understanding of what you've read, and that's useful later.